Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate opening an E*trade account as a non-U.S. resident. It's important to understand that E*trade primarily focuses on clients who reside within the United States. For most new retail investors living outside the U.S., opening a standard brokerage account directly with E*trade is generally not an option due to their current policies and regulatory requirements. To be eligible for a new E*trade account, individuals must meet several core criteria. First, you need to be at least 18 years of age. Crucially, you must possess a valid U.S. Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Most significantly, E*trade requires a verifiable residential address located within the United States or its territories to open a new retail brokerage account. For those who meet the strict residency criteria, the application process typically involves completing an online form, providing personal and financial details. However, for non-U.S. citizens, there is an international complete investment account application available as a downloadable PDF. This paper application is for very specific situations and does not bypass the U.S. residency requirement for new retail accounts. All non-U.S. persons must also complete an IRS form W-8BEN for proper tax withholding. If you are among the very few non-U.S. residents who manage to open an account, funding can typically be done through wire transfers from your external bank accounts. Be aware that currency conversion fees and wire transfer charges might apply. For most international investors, it is more practical to explore other U.S.-based brokerage firms that explicitly welcome non-U.S. residents, or to seek out brokers in your home country that offer access to the U.S. stock markets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.